Okay children, now we are going to see about some long sound words. If double words come means, for example here I kept a double O, then it sounds like O. What it sounds? O. When the same word comes two word, for example double O, I kept a double O here, means we have to pronounce it like O. Okay, O. Okay, now I'm just keeping Z here. Okay, what is the sound of Z? Z. Is O. Zoo. 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 Yes, you hearing the zoo sound? Yes, if double O means we have to pronounce it like longer. O. Okay, zoo. 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 Isn't it? Do you all love zoo? Yes, in zoo there are a variety of animals, isn't it? Tiger, lion, zebras, yes, kangaroos and lot of animals. Yes, will you enjoy it by going to zoo? Yes, I too enjoy while I am going to zoo. But in zoo we don't disturb the animals, isn't it? We have only to watch the animals far. Okay, but we should not go near to the animals, or we should not disturb any animals in zoo, isn't it? Okay, let's one more time we will revise it children. If the same word comes near means we have to, the same words comes means we have to pronounce it longer. Oh, what is the sound of is it? Z, zoo, zoo, zoo. Okay, yes. Now I'm just keeping the two letter, one is here and another one is here. Okay, now just tell me what is the sound of double O? O. Okay, what is the sound of M? Moon. 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 Okay, when N comes at last means in the N we have to pronounce it like in, isn't it? I have told you already. If N comes last, then we have to pronounce it like N. Okay, now just recall it. Moon. Moon. Okay, if double O comes means we have to pronounce it longer. What is the sound of M? Moon. Moon. Okay, now I am going to introduce the next set of two letter word. One is F and another one is D. Okay, let's just listen. What is the sound of double O? O, isn't it? What is the sound of F? F. Food. 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 Yes, you are hearing. You can read it. Food, isn't it? It's very nicely, isn't it? If double O comes, what is the sound of the double O? Ooh. Oh. Yes. Oh. Not ooh. Oh. Yes. What is the sound of F? F. Food. 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 Okay. Now I am going to introduce again a two letter cards. Listen carefully. I am just keeping S here and P here. Then same O will be remain same. Then I am going to keep a N here. Okay. Now just listen carefully. What is the sound of S? Sh, s, pa, O, n. Spoon. 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 Yes, in spoon we are eating food or snacks we will use to eat in spoon. Yes, we all love ice cream. Yes, we cannot eat ice cream without spoon. Yes, okay, listen carefully one more time. Spoon. Spoon. What is the sound of yes? Sh, pa, sh, sh, pa, o, and spoon. Spoon. Okay children, now let's see another set of words.